Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess like Magnus Carlsen. His approach emphasizes deep positional understanding and accumulating small advantages throughout the game. He avoids early, irreversible commitments, preferring to keep his options open. A key aspect is his exceptional endgame mastery, where he converts even tiny edges into victories with remarkable precision. This style requires patience and a keen eye for subtle improvements. Carlsen's opening strategy is about creating a solid, flexible foundation. He develops his pieces efficiently, aiming for central control without overextending. His goal is to reach a playable middle game where he can outmaneuver his opponent. He often chooses openings that allow for various plans, keeping his opponents guessing. This approach prioritizes long-term strategic goals over immediate tactical skirmishes. In the middle game, Carlsen excels at grinding down his opponents. He constantly looks for small weaknesses to exploit, often creating imbalances that favor his pieces. His ability to improve the activity of his pieces and coordinate them seamlessly is legendary. He patiently builds pressure, slowly restricting his opponent's options until a decisive advantage emerges. This phase demands deep calculation and strategic foresight. Carlsen's endgame play is arguably his greatest strength. He possesses an encyclopedic knowledge of endgame theory and an uncanny ability to convert even the smallest advantages. He practices countless endgame positions, allowing him to find the optimal path to victory with remarkable speed. His precision and relentless technique in the endgame often prove too much for his opponents, securing many hard-fought wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.